Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to start a project in Basecamp. I'm a big fan of Basecamp, and I think it's a great tool for project management. It's easy to use, and it has a lot of features that make it a powerful tool for managing projects of all sizes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of creating a new project in Basecamp, adding tasks to your project, and assigning tasks to team members. I'll also show you how to use some of the other features of Basecamp, such as milestones and discussions. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. What's the biggest challenge you face when managing a project? Is it staying organized? Is it keeping track of deadlines? Is it communicating with your team? If you're like most people, you probably struggle with one or all of these challenges. Basecamp can help you overcome these challenges. It's a powerful tool that can help you stay organized, keep track of deadlines, and communicate with your team. Step 1. Create a new project. To create a new project in Basecamp, simply click the Create a New Project button. You'll be asked to enter a name for your project and to choose a color for your project. Step 2. Add tasks to your project. Once you've created a project, you can start adding tasks to it. To add a task, simply click the Add a Task button. You'll be asked to enter a name for your task, and you can also add a description, due date, and assignee. Step 3. Assign tasks to team members. Once you've added tasks to your project, you can assign them to team members. To assign a task to a team member, simply click on the task and then click the Assign to button. Step 4. Use milestones to track progress. Milestones are a great way to track progress on your project. To create a milestone, simply click the Add a Milestone button. You'll be asked to enter a name for your milestone and to set a due date. Step 5. Use discussions to communicate with your team. Discussions are a great way to communicate with your team about your project. To create a discussion, simply click the Discussions tab and then click the Create a New Discussion button. Additional tips. You can use Basecamp to create to-do lists, track your time, and collaborate with others on documents. You can customize Basecamp to your liking by changing the colors and fonts. You can use Basecamp to share your projects with other people. Basecamp is a powerful tool that can help you manage projects of all sizes. I hope this video has helped you learn how to start a project in Basecamp. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use Basecamp. If you're looking for a powerful tool to help you manage your projects, I encourage you to give Basecamp a try. You can sign up for a free trial today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.